Since my childhood, I have had no right on my mom. Said things that mom left this world because I was born.
Samresh, go to Siddharth. We will wait here.
Siddharth, I know that you're hurt by your sister's words. Your sister is much younger to you, Siddharth. Please forgive her. She's crying profusely. And you two haven't eaten anything since morning. You have to eat something at least. Siddharth, look, whatever has happened has happened. Don't worry so much. What's the point in suffering?
I'm indeed worried, sir. Actually, you know what? I have your blood running in my veins. So, I might have become cruel and selfish like you even if I didn't want to.
Antapa.
Hmm?
What is Mr. Bittergourd saying to father? He's dead. How can he...
Shh.
Siddharth, are you talking in your senses?
Yes, sir. Unfortunately. You know what, sir? I've seen with my open eyes how much my mom used to get hurt by your harsh words. She used to hide and cry and you never noticed it. I am your son. That's why I probably never noticed how much Shri suffers. I might not accept you as my dad, but the truth is that I carry your genes within me. That truth cannot be changed, sir.
How could you say such a thing? How could you say this to me, Siddharth? Fine. Henceforth, I'll never interfere in your matters. I won't remember that I won't also remember that my blood runs in your veins. Shri is my only child and you are nobody to me.
Samresh?
Sid, what did you do? Why did you do this? Since you are suffering, Dad had come here to talk to you and you... Sid, I know that you can't tolerate Dad. I also dislike few traits of Dad. That's normal, but at the end of the day, he's our dad. We have lost our mom. We are just left with Dad, aren't we?
Shri, please leave me alone. I really don't feel like talking right now.
When do you feel like talking? You never feel like talking to anyone. Since morning, a storm is blowing within my heart thinking that my brother is suffering. No one should worry for you. You just don't deserve it. Not at all.
Everything that has happened today is due to my fault. Actually, I just wanted to make sister happy. Whatever anger you have within you, shower it on me. I didn't realize that everyone will suffer because of me. But Father is no way at fault.
I've told you many times, make a habit of living within your boundaries. I don't share my personal matters with anyone, and I don't find it necessary to discuss all this with you at least. Listen, before I misbehave with you, please go from here, please. Hello? Tess? Yes, just wanted to know, are you home? Yes, can I come down? But, Tess, I have a request to make. Today I want to spend some time with my old friend, with my best friend actually. All right, I'm coming. Tess, I have a request to make. Today I want to spend some time with my old friend, with my best friend actually.
Oh Lord, why am I feeling this strange pain? This is his friend and he's nobody to me, yet why am I feeling this strange pain? Why am I feeling so much pain?
Mithai? Hey, Mithai. Did
Yes,
Sid go to Tosha's place? Tell me the truth, Mithai. I think I heard him talking over the phone.
I don't know, sister. See, leave him for some time alone. Don't you remember what happened last time? He had gone somewhere all alone. He spent some time alone and then everything became all right again.
That's not the answer to my question, Mithai. Mithai, look at me. I just want to know if Sid will come back home tonight or not. Everything has a limit, Mithai.
Shri, Come with me. Please stop this now. Please, please. Brother Sid is not in his senses. He's not aware what he's saying. What is he
Does
doing?
that mean that he can continue hurting people according to his own whims? You can't even imagine, Sandy, how he hurt Dad just a while ago. And now? He went to Tosha's place ignoring Mithai? I will actually go and inform everything to Grandpa.
Sister, stop. Please don't say anything to grandfather, sister. Grandfather loves his grandson a lot. Please.
For how long will this go on? How long will I keep Mum? And why should I, Mithai? I'm just not feeling right. I'm feeling crazy right now, absolutely crazy.
Shri, come with me. Come on. Come.
Oh Lord. I am having a feeling that a great tempest is brewing. Sister isn't in her senses. Mr. Bittergourd is also restless. Oh Lord. Lord. Please help. Mr. Bittergourd hasn't returned home yet. It's already morning. Gradually, everyone will wake up one by one. What will I say if grandfather asks me about him?
Who hasn't returned home last night?
Yes,
Is it Siddharth?
brother, will you have some tea? I'll make tea for you right away.
Sandy? Yes? Where is Siddharth? Mithai said he hasn't returned home. Actually, last night Siddharth had a squabble with Uncle Samresh.
Please, Sandy. Please. Don't try to protect Sid by giving silly excuses. I'm already quite annoyed since last night. He said all those harsh words to Dad, and then he went to Tosha's place ignoring Mithai. He hasn't come back yet, has he? Mithai!
Yes?
Mithai, why didn't you tell me anything earlier?
Oh, sister, what's the harm in visiting a friend's place? Will you have tea? I'm making tea with milk. I'm making it for Brother Sandy and Brother Som. Uncle Amrish and Aunt Sulata will leave in a little while. Oh no, has Sister Nipa woken up? If she gets late, Brother Rahul will be here with his car. Sister Nipa hasn't woken up yet. Let me go and wake her up. Hey, Sister Nipa, wake up! Wake up!
Shom, I want to inform Grandpa about the whole situation, but Sandy is stopping me. What do you suggest?
What can I say regarding this? I think this time Siddharth has gone way too far. Grandpa will be very angry with this.
Exactly. Everything has got a limit. Sid has crossed that limit now. I just can't tolerate this anymore.
Why should you tolerate? You protest about everything what is wrong. You are so aware about women's rights. Why should you tolerate? Brother Som, why are you instigating Shri? Don't you know that if she starts speaking, she will not stop? No, Shri. You're not going to tell anything to Grandpa. This will make it worse.
Let that happen. Let things get worse, Sandy. I can clearly understand that Sid and Tosha are getting closer. Till date, it was one-sided. Only Tosha had some feelings, but now it is becoming both-sided. Do you understand that? Do you know that the day we had gone to Tosha's place because of you, what did we see on reaching there? Since Tosha was choking, Sid was holding the glass and helping Tosha drink water. I wasn't alone there. Rajiv and Mithai has also seen it. And yesterday, Sid was so upset that he had to ignore Mithai and go to Tosha's place. He didn't even find it necessary to come back home all night. Great!
Why wasn't I informed earlier that Siddharth has done something like this? Instead of discussing amongst yourself, the elders of the house should have been informed first, Shri.
Yes, Grandpa. I wanted to inform you, but Sandy didn't let me. Grandpa, I think you should speak to Sid once he's back. I know that he is quite elder to me, so I shouldn't say such things regarding this, but Grandpa, what is wrong is wrong. Whatever he's doing isn't right, isn't it?
Grandfather? Grandfather, you woke up already? I'll bring tea for you right away.
What did you just do? When brother will be back, he will think that Mithai has complained to Grandpa. Only Mithai was present when he left the house. That is what I want. These days, Siddharth protects Mithai without being aware of it. That's really creating problem for me.
What are you two talking about? Listen, I couldn't wake up Sister Neepa. She has to get ready and then go. Oh, yes, tea. Grandfather, here is your tea.
Mithai, you're not getting your due respect in this house.
What? What are you saying, Grandfather? Has Mithai got so much respect ever before? You all love me so much. Mithai is very happy over here. Do you understand? God knows why you unnecessarily worry so much at times. Should I bring some biscuits for you? I'll bring biscuits. Oh Lord, has sister said anything to grandfather regarding Mr. Bittergourd? Why is everyone in such a grave mood? It would be nice if Brother Raji was here. He would have managed everything.
Here you go. Take it. You won't get tea anytime soon. Ratul has turned the kitchen upside down. He's making pasta.
Nanda, have you called up Grandpa? Whatever happened yesterday after that, you should have at least called someone up.
Yes, I had called up. You know, Sid has apparently misbehaved with Uncle Samresh and left the house. I really don't like Sid's attitude at all. Shri is also quite annoyed. You know what? Sid is at Tosha's place.
What? What are you saying?
Here I am. I'm here. Nanda, please move aside. I want to make everyone in this house taste this pasta. Take it. Taste it. He claims that you are the biggest glutton.
He hasn't said anything wrong at all. All day long, he thinks only about food.
Really? What is it, Shushmita ma'am? Why are you standing there and smiling? Did you see? After all this, I'm having to eat this kind of food. Say something to your beloved younger
No.
son.
I am not a part of this drama of yours. If I support one, the other will make me go crazy.
You are right.
Rajiv, eat fast. Your younger brother has cooked for his to-be wife. Taste it and give your feedback. They will be here any moment now.
Eat it, brother.
Don't be impatient, it's hot. Hey,
Will Nipa like it? Huh?
Isn't it good? I knew about this. What will happen now, Nanda? You got busy making the tea for your husband and left me alone.
Even if it is not good, how bad can it be? Give it to me. He's going to finish it all.
Are you going to taste it? See how it tastes.
bad? Is it bad? Ratul, your brother is just pretending. I have never seen anyone worse in my entire life.
Why did you do this to me? Why?
Believe me, I was just trying to create a suspense. That's
It's a
it.
thriller movie, right?
Yes. Hey, don't let go of me. Leave me.
Stop!
He
Stop!
can't catch
Just
me.
stop it!
There they go.
Wait. Stop!
2 sons were not enough. Now Nanda has joined them.
You're right. I wonder what will happen when Nipa joins the gang. Rajiv teases her so much, I really don't know what's going to happen.
You are right. Oh, listen. We have to inform Amaresh that we won't invite too many guests at the wedding. There is a pandemic scare. We'll invite few close friends and family. But I don't know if Nipa will like a simple wedding or not. Actually, we're not able to understand Nipa well, you know.
Sushmita, please don't start it already. One is you and the other one is your mother-in-law. I mean my mom. You guys have no sense about when and where to speak and what to speak. Hey Rajiv, Ratul, who is going to finish this pasta?
Mithai has no time to chit-chat now, grandfather. Mithai has many chores to finish. It's already so late and I've just finished cleaning the puja room. I have to go to the confectionery now. I have so much work to do. Mithai is very busy now, grandfather.
Why will you go to the confectionery?
What are you saying, grandfather? If I don't reach the workshop on time, then how will the work happen?
I am asking you, why will you work for Siddheshwar Modak for free?